I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken Tentacles. To begin, understand that acquiring these rare items requires careful planning and execution. You'll need to venture into the deepest parts of the ocean where the mighty Kraken resides. This isn't a task for the faint of heart, but with the right approach, you can successfully obtain its valuable tentacles. Let's dive into the specifics of how to prepare and what to expect. Before you set sail, make sure your gear is top-notch. A heavy-duty fishing rod is essential, capable of withstanding immense pressure. You'll also need a unique bait, specifically designed to lure the Kraken from its hiding spot. Don't forget to check your boat's inventory space. You'll want to have enough room for your hard-earned catch. Proper preparation significantly increases your chances of success. Once you've reached the Kraken's territory, cast your specialized bait into the dark waters. The weight can be tense, but when the Kraken bites, be prepared for a fierce battle. It will pull with incredible force, so maintain steady tension on your line. Patience and precise reeling are crucial to avoid snapping your equipment. This is where your sturdy rod and strong line truly prove their worth. After a victorious struggle, you'll successfully reel in the Kraken, obtaining its valuable tentacles. Each successful catch typically provides a good number of these rare items. Head back to the nearest port to safely store and process your haul. These tentacles are incredibly useful for crafting powerful items and upgrades, making the effort well worth it. Enjoy your hard-earned rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.